What's up, guys? So this is going to be my very first YouTube fishing video. We are going to be heading down to Keaton Beach. Going to be leaving here pretty shortly, probably around 8. Going to be headed down a little bit late for a couple reasons. One, the wind is blowing like crazy, so hoping that's going to lay down. Also, there's a tournament going on down there and didn't want to wait at the boat ramp all day. So, there's going to be 2 people fishing with me. One's my dad and his friend Daryl. And I've played golf with them together, and it is quite entertaining. So I expect this to be as well. You may have to ignore them a little bit, but hopefully we can go catch some big trout and who knows what else. But anyways, hope you enjoy it. Don't laugh at me if it's horrible. It's my first one. I'll see how it goes.
I got it, Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman, that he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin, 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin, 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine, wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press, rewind, see that as one.
At least we got one on here today. Caught that one fishing a white gulp with a chartreuse tail under the Cajun Thunder Popping Cork.
What do you do? Just throw it out there and let it sit, or?
Just throw it out there and pop it about twice, reel up the slack, pop it about twice, reel up the slack. But that one, I just kind of had it sitting. Daryl watched it. It was just kind of sitting just off the edge of the boat there, and he come up and took it. That's what's been. Uh-huh. So the way you fish, you just throw it out there as far as you can and give it a couple pops and let it sit. Reel up your slack, give it a couple pops, let it sit. Hey. Get him, Daryl. Get him in the boat. Yes, it is. A nice one. Very nice flounder. Yeah. Hey, they got teeth too. Hold on, I got a boat. Hold that up. That gets you a picture.
Them boys at work, they working today. They want me to work, I said I can't.
Hold. 15-inch flounder. That's gonna be good eating, son.
Is there a limit on them? I mean,
I gotta look him up. I know he's big enough to keep. It's like a 12 or.
12.
Hey, see, take it. First of all, I'm gonna reel it up a little better than that. And you're gonna have to kind of lean, hold it out this way.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
And just let it go. And then just keep your line tight and just pop, pop, reel. Pop, pop, reel. Pop, pop.
That cork is going just like your brand phone.
Yep.
He's gone. There he is.
Alright, easy man, easy man.
He ain't bad, but I don't think he's great.
Keep your rod tip up, keep your rod tip up.
I got it up.
He might go. Yeah, that's a real good trout.
Hit him.
Well, you was pulling away from me. Yeah, easily.
Yeah. Boy, it come out. You don't need pliers. It come out right there.
Well, I'm not using the pliers.
Where'd it go, David Roberts? That damn David Roberts catch fish in the desert, son, with sand. Lose my my damn fish.
You ain't gonna lose him with them. There.
Yeah, get the bear out of the picture.
Hey, hold the bottom of him up.
Oh.
Just lift him. Hold him out toward him, make him look bigger.
Yep.
Yeah.
You reckon he's a keeper?
Oh yeah. He ain't gonna be much of one, but he's a keeper. Oh yeah, he's 16.
God.
I get in that for you.
Damn, that bull's wearing iron.
He might go.
What's he gotta do to get a little juice on it?
I'm back here. These things right here, Daryl, I hate it, but he ain't gonna make it.
Let me touch one.
Hey, get that shit on the thing.
Yeah.
Hey, it does. They do say put it on you.
Yeah, for real.
Here, let me see your bait.
Hell yes, nothing coming off. Oh, you gonna put it on the bait?
Yeah. Coop, what are you doing, Coop? Oh, ski trout, ski trout.
Over there.
Hold him up like you're proud of him. I might need to put the popping cork on. You've been wearing them out. Need the pliers?
No, I'm good.
They here. Just need one bigger than that. Old ski trout. Yeah, because he skis across top of the water when you reel him in. Uh-huh.
Oh, now that's a damn fish. Tell me it ain't. Stay on there, you bro. Get around that motor now. That's a get the net.
I got it, I got it.
Flounder.
Easy, man, easy, man. Pull him right to me.
Yes.
Get him a little higher. Keep pulling. Oh, that's a sea bass.
Sea bass.
A big one.
That's a one.
Where my dang things go?
Damn, be legal.
Oh, he's legal.
Oh, yeah. That one I caught last week was 15 inches. Let's see what this one goes. Oh, crap. Inches.
Well, I can't see you. You up. Get
There.
Alright.
It'd be dang nice.
Uh-huh.
That him?
That's him. Already?
That is a fish.
First damn cast, what I'm talking about.
That's trout.
First damn them casts what I'm talking about, son. Think he's gonna be long enough.
No, I don't either. 14.
I mean, you ain't got down, twist my damn on. Where's this thing
No, he ain't. I'll let him go. Let's see what he is. He may not let me quiet. 14.
Yeah.
13 and a half.
And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow. No one can control. Yeah. And I got this soda.
Well, just finished fishing for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed what little bit of catching we got to do. As you've seen, it was windy again all day. Pretty rough, but we got 4 nice keepers and it was a fun day. So certainly hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we will have more stuff coming for you soon.